All right, number one, doing another video here. Hey, that's not what I wanted. Video here, so hopefully we can have a more productive classroom. To be able to subtract fractions, you have to have a common denominator. So I see that over here, I have 2y, over here I have an 8y, so I'm basically going to have to multiply this one by 4 to make it 8y, and then they'll be the same denominator. But you got to do it to the top as well as the bottom in order to achieve an equivalent fraction. So I'm going to rewrite the whole thing there. It's all going to be over 8y, the common denominator. 5y minus 3 minus, and I'm going to use parentheses because we're subtracting this entire thing times 4. 4y plus 20. Okay, and again, it's all over 8y. Now I'm just going to simplify. This needs to be distributed to both terms. So it needs to go boom and there. So I'm going to get this is equal to 5y minus 3 minus 4y minus 20 all over 8y. 5y minus 4y is 1y. Negative 3 minus 20 is negative 23. And that's all over 8y. The end of that problem. Number 2 on the problem set here, another very similar problem. The lowest common denominator here I can think of is going to be 18w cubed. So this one I'm going to have to multiply by 3. This one I'm going to have to multiply by 2w, and I'm going to get that common denominator of 18w cubed, least common multiple. Okay, whatever I multiply the bottoms by, though, I got to multiply the tops by 2w. All right, 3 times 7, that's 21, minus all of 2w times 2, which is 4w. So that's pretty much the answer. 21 minus 4w all over 18w cubed. No, I cannot reduce the w's. It has to be the entire common factor on top with the common factor on bottom. And there is no common w on top. 21 does not have a w. All right. Number 3. A little bit of the same deal here. We're just getting a common denominator and then combining those numerators under one common denominator. 12, 24, 36 is the number, I think, we can find the lowest common multiple of. Multiply that by 3, multiply that by 4, we get 36. This one has a c, this one does not have a c, so we're going to have to multiply by c. This one has a d squared, this one has a d, so we need another d here. And this has a b squared, this does not have a b squared. So I believe my common denominator is going to be 36 b squared cd squared. 36b squared cd squared. The lowest multiple that both those numbers can be, terms can be. Got to multiply the tops too. 3b squared, 4cd, and when I multiply this one here, I get 3b to the 4th y cubed minus 20 cdx. Do I have any common denominators on top? No. There's nothing to reduce there. That's it. Nice and simplified. Numero trace. We need to get a common denominator here. This is a whole binomial here, so I can't just add 2. It does not work. It's not going to do the same thing and create an equivalent fraction. So I have to basically multiply this one times x plus 2, top and bottom, and I got to multiply this one by x, top and bottom. So my denominator is going to be x times x plus 2. And 7 times x plus 2 is 7x plus 14 minus 5x, which gives me a total of 7 minus 5x is 2x plus 14 all over x times x plus 2. I don't see anything to reduce there. That's it. The end.